wedding.
Here I am again. Good day to all of us. This is Lolito Impuntillas, an EDD student from Northeastern Mindanao State University. Today, we will talk about a concept note. But before that, I would like to thank Dr. Jean Hapos, our professor, for the theory development, for letting us know about concept note and teaching us the importance of making concept note before doing any research endeavor. What is a concept note? A concept note is an outline research or project proposal which is submitted by a research writer or a research team as a blueprint of the study or sometimes a basis for funding. This is like a preamble or a roadmap of a study. It does not need great details, but only some key points just to provide an information of what your study is all about. A concept note should be submitted within the standard form set by the institution or to a funding agency. Because a concept note does not need specifications would mean disapproval or should be returned to the sender for improvement, and this would mean delay for being considered. At this time, we will learn the purpose of a concept note. It has two folds. One, to allow the researcher or research team to submit a research proposal in summary form for preliminary assessment and evaluation without the need to prepare a full-blown or detailed research or project proposal. Second, to allow assessors to make a fairly quick or fine judgment on whether the study are relevant, feasible, suitable, worthwhile for further consideration, or disallowing to pursue and conduct studies. In other words, the research is unacceptable. Here are the parts of a concept note. Every institution has its own format, and each part of the concept note plays an important role in the realization of our future research work. First is the title of the proposed study. Second is the name of the researcher or the research team. And the third is the course area of specialization. The rationale. We are to present the problematic situation and we are to provide legal basis to reinforce the problem being presented. Presenting also the importance and the validity of our project or research is advised in moving the frontier of knowledge in the discipline and presenting some gaps in knowledge that need to be addressed and are addressed in the study on the specific literature about the topic. Next is the purpose. The purpose of the research should address an identified development opportunity and it should answer the need and to the problem presented. Next is the instructional mandate. In writing research, we are told to ask some questions at the back of our mind. How will this research project contribute to instruction? Does new knowledge will be generated after the conduct of the study? Or, what contribution can this research will do to our institution and to our target beneficiary? Next is the community extension mandate. One of the fourfold functions of an institution is the community extension project. In here, does this project help or contribute something to the community extension or adapted barangay? Or, what insights does the community will get from your project? Or what other extension activities you can provide as a result of your research project? This is all about the Community Extension Mandate. Production, on the other hand, is another function of the college. In a concept note, the researcher should consider some of this. Does this research contribute to production? Or what product does this research produce that will make the community productive? That is all about production mandate. Talking about beneficiaries, our target beneficiaries are those who will gain social, economic, or environmental advantage from the result of our research project. They are those who will benefit from the technology, the methodology, or knowledge transfer activities of the target institution. In general, they are the end users of the project. What about approach? These are work programs that we need to include as we conduct the research study. These are designs in achieving outputs. There should be an activity or group activities associated with its output, so that the activities defining the action strategies for accomplishing its output. Another important component of a concept note is the legacy. Stakeholders play an important role in the conduct of the research project. We are told by our professor that during the conception phase of the project, stakeholders should be included because they have also several informations that you as the researcher may utilize to save time, money, and effort. A Memorandum of Agreement or MOA, or a Memorandum of Understanding or the so-called MOU be crafted in support to your study in order that the community will learn from your study. Dissemination information should also be included in your plan so that the community will know through several platforms. Example are the radio stations where you can broadcast your results. The second to the last component are the capacity. They are the persons in authority who are very important individuals to back up your study. They are those who will reinforce your study so that it will be a bankable one. Experts from different fields endorsing your paper would make your proposal gain more chances to be accepted and to be funded. And the last one is the implementation. This is the output information and dissemination wherein you have to inform the stakeholders. You need to describe some activities and timetable so that you can implement the project well. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you have gained information and knowledge about the concept note.